Master the first conditional, using when and as soon as for certainty. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's session, we'll delve deeper into the realm of the first conditional, specifically focusing on variations in its usage. We're going to unravel the secrets of using when and as soon as in first conditional sentences to express certainty. Buckle up. Let's do a quick refresher. The first conditional, also known as the real conditional, is used to express situations that are likely or possible in the present or future. The structure is simple: if plus present simple, will plus infinitive. For example, if it rains, we will stay at home. Today's main focus is on the variations in first conditional sentences. Instead of if, we can use when or as soon as in certain situations to express certainty. The sentence structure remains the same, only the if is replaced by when or as soon as. Let's see how. We use when to replace if in first conditional sentences when we are sure that the condition will happen. For example, instead of saying, "If I finish work, I will call you," we can say, "When I finish work, I will call you." Here, when implies certainty about finishing work. Similarly, we use as soon as to express immediate certainty. It means that the moment the condition is fulfilled, the result will occur. For example, as soon as we arrive, we will check into the hotel. This tells us that checking into the hotel will happen immediately after arriving. Let's put these variations into practice with some examples. 1. If I see him, I will tell him the news. 2. When I see him, I will tell him the news. 3. If you buy the tickets, we can go to the concert. 4. As soon as you buy the tickets, we can go to the concert. Remember, the use of when or as soon as instead of if adds an extra layer of certainty and immediacy to your sentences. That's all for today, folks. We hope this session on using when and as soon as in first conditional sentences has helped clarify these concepts for you. These variations are wonderful tools to make your English communication more nuanced and effective. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the exciting world of English grammar. Until then, happy learning!